Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up the relay for Zabbix server. And for the relay, you can either set up Gmail or any other relay, but we are going to set up the AWS SES, simple email service for this purpose. So as we are deploying our Zabbix server in the AWS cloud, and I've already shown you in my previous video how you can set up the automated way the deployment of Zabbix and Grafana through Terraform. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to simple email service. Simply navigate to this search bar and type simple email service, or if you press simply SES, you will see the second one is going to be the simple email service. So I'm going to show you the production ready stuff as far as the DNS entries are concerned. If you're using the Route 53 or any other DNS provider, the steps are going to be same. As I'm using the DNS Route 53, which is a free DNS service provided by Cloudflare, and I really like this service. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to this service, and I'm going to uh, show you guys how you can do the entries. Okay, so simply navigate to DNS. What I'm going to do, okay, I'm gonna, excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna set up, first of all, I need to navigate to domain section, and I'm going to verify a domain, and domain is going to be saklanmushtaq.com. So this is the domain I am managing for Saklan Mushtaq, and I would like to add the DKIM as well for okay, view details and navigate to generate DKIM as well. So I want to put these entries in the my DNS as well. So I have to put these DKIM, and what I need. Okay, sending authorization policies. Okay, just leave this part. Send email from. I'm going to say, let's say, my subdomain. You can say, let's say, no reply, no reply. Mushtaq. So if anyone receive the email, um, he will see the mail sent from no reply.saklanmushtaq.com. Instead of if you not configure this, you will see that emails are going to be sent from the Amazon. So as for your production ready stuff, you want your business domain to be set up accordingly. So we are going to cover the step. So you see domain pending is in the verification state. So I'm going to add txt record for my domain. So let me copy the txt record and navigate to my domain, and I'm going to add one record, which is going to be the txt record, and I'm going to put this record and the content. I'm going to put, let me bring this here. In the content, I'm going to put this text value. So this is similar for any DNS provider. I mean, you see one txt record is saved, and this part is done, and I'm going to put the DKIM records. DKIM records, DKIM settings for your domain have generated, and I mean, excuse me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going the copy paste the DKIM record. What it does that it will make sure that the emails uh, coming from the right domain and you're the right person. So the DNS, you can say validation as far as the excuse me, and DNS validation as far as the domain is absolutely going to be 100% sure that you are the right person. So I'm going to add DKIM, and for that I have to add three CNAME records. Simply navigate to your DNS and navigate to CNAME for this address, and I'm also going to put this address as well. So these three entries you should put for your DNS, and I'm going to remove the proxy. So I don't want the proxy to be involved in this. And I'm going to add one CNAME record. Okay, remove the proxy and put the other CNAME record. So this is the second CNAME record we are putting here. Okay, and the third one. Also, I'm going to copy this third one address. Okay, simply put this, remove the proxy, and this part is done. So one more thing, if I navigate to okay, simply refresh it and see what has been done. Okay, so you see your Seclanum Star domain verification is done. So notification, okay, DKIM is in pending state, mail from, okay. So verification is gonna be done like in a way that we have to put these MX records. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create uh, one MX record. So I have to copy this part. Okay, mail from pending. Okay, I'm going to put the MX and SPF record. Okay, excuse me. So we are doing the MX record. Okay, MX are the mail exchange record which are going to be used for sending mails, which are for the mail server. So no reply dot sec clan mushtaq is going to be, see this part. This part is going to be automatically filled. So you have to put this only no reply here, and the mail server is going to be this one. Leave the 10. Let me, I will show you what 10 is. Actually, it is the priority which we are going to set. So in priority section, just simply put 10 here and make sure that there should be no spaces. So MX record no reply is also set, and I'm going to put the um, SPF record as well. So let me put that. Okay, txt. I'm going to again copy this pad no reply and open the txt record. This set of this type of setting is not going to be provided by anyone. So this is the very much perfect setting for for the security and sending of your emails. And because we are using the production ready, uh, updating our production ready stuff. So you see, no reply dot saklanmushtaq.com is already filled. So let me enter it. So txt record is also updated, and if I try to refresh it, let me just check what entries are going to be verified. This one was already verified, and DKM, you see DKM is enabled and verified these records. Mail from, definitely it will take a while, and Okay, and I have to wait for this one. So anyway, this is done as far as the DNS entries are concerned. So okay, mail from. It will take a while, about 5 to 10 minutes anyway. The maximum time I'm talking about. So email address. Currently, what it is saying, if I navigate to sending statistics, you see this part is actually locked. So I'm able to send only emails to my domain. For instance, my domain is verified.com. If there are 100 emails or 100 user emails, I'm able to send emails to this domain because this is verified. Let's say there is account with user Muhammad.asim@saklanmushtaq.com. So I'm able to send email to that particular user. And if there is another account, Muhammad Qasim dot Muhammad.qasim@saklanmushtaq.com. So I'm able to also send email to that particular user because this domain is verified. So currently I don't have any email addresses in this domain. So other option is that either I should go unlock this feature and I have to go to the support from where you can able to send unlimited emails to different domains as well, like you want to send to like google.com, gmail.com, any other domain other than saklanmushtaq.com. So this is with regard to this. You have to request for this and it will be enabled. So I'm not going to show you that because I don't have the privileges anyway. I'm going to set up one email. Let's say if I want to send email to other Gmail service or any other domain other to saklanmushtaq.com. Other option is to unlock is that you see is to for sending emails to, I should unlock, or other option is that I should create a verify email address and I'm going to add my email QuickBooks 2018. If I verify this email and I will be able to send email to this email address. So I'm going to verify this email and verification is in pending state. So if I navigate to Gmail section, I will show you that. Let me open the Gmail and you will see one email coming from AWS and it will gonna ask for the verification. So I'm going to click on the verify. I'm going to click this part, and this is how I'm going to email this service. Sorry, verify my service. So I'm able to send email to this particular email address, which is outside my domain, because I've not enabled the support service to send uh, automatic email to any other domain in the world. So pending verification. See, this is verified. If I navigate to the domain section and let me check the other parts. So it is in still pending state. No, that's done. You see, as far as the send domain from no reply dot saklanmushtaq.com, so I'm able to see that mails will be coming from no replies dot saklanmushtaq.com. So then you have to go to the SMTP settings, click on this create SMTP credentials. Okay, so you can simply create, and this is going to be the user. So I'm gonna simply make this user a little bit, um, understandable for I to. I'm going to say simple email service SMTP user. Okay, I'm going to create. Okay, what I'm gonna do then I'm going to either click show credential or download credential. So I'm going to say show credential as well. Let me also show you the file which I have downloaded and I'm going to put it here. So this is the file which I have downloaded. Definitely, I'm going to remove this after the end of this video, and let me just remove. close this anyway. So this is the username and this is the password. Okay, so close it, and if I navigate to simple email service, let me close the other part as well. So this is Grafana, this is the Zabbix. As far as the administration is concerned, I'm going to navigate to the administration part, and okay, if you navigate to the authentication, okay, user groups, okay, media tabs. In media tabs, you will see email address. Okay, so media tags. Make sure you click the media tabs. And this is how where we can set up our email. But just to make sure that our email is working properly, because lots of people I saw do struggle that they are unable to send email through simple email service. So this is not this tutorial relevant to the Zabbix relay as email. This is the proper tutorial with regard to the AWS simple email service. So definitely I'm going to show you the tools as well. So I've already created the notes for you guys, and I am going to show you this one. So in this, what we are going to do, we are going to change the admin default password, and I'm going to change the, and I'm going to show you one really cool website as well. So you can able to see that what is going through the through your email. So G MAWS gmas.co/smtp test. This is the website. So as this is the demo, you can test your code here. I mean, test your credential here, and after testing, you can delete and create new credentials as well. So this is absolutely fine, and there is no issue with that if you provide them your credentials. So this is just for testing purpose, and I'm going to copy this SMTP username, and I'm going to put it here. So let me put it here, and I'm going to okay, I will show you. You can put from email address, and you can say Zabbix at saklanmushtaq.com. Okay, so this part is done. I'm going to put the password as well. So if I navigate to the password section, simply I'm going to put the password and email sent to. Let's say I'm going to send this email to QuickBooks 2018 at gmail.com. You will see the output here as well. So I'm going to use the port. Let me show you the simple email service SES, and navigate to the simple email service. Okay, let it open. Okay, let it open. I'm going to use the port, let's say 465, and SMTP server will be according to your region. Seems that my internet is a little bit slow anyway. So this is opening now. So okay, if you navigate to the SMTP settings, this is the server name. Simply copy this, and these are the ports. 25 is not the secure ones. 465 and 587 are the secure ones. So I'm going to use the 465 port here in my gmas.co. So I'm going to put the email address here. Make sure that spaces are removed. So Zabbix at Saklanamish, although this user is not created, what is mean by email from, I will show you when we receive the email. I'm going to test it if everything goes well. So you see everything is go well 250 okay, which means that if in case of any error, it will prompt us an error because QuickBooks 2018, as the start of my video, I've already shown you this is the verified email address or the other address which is going to be valid for our email sending is going to be saklanmushtaq.com, mohammed.asim@saklanmushtaq.com, any email address from your domain. So hope you will be able to understand. If I navigate to my email address, click, you see Zabbix, I got email from Zabbix. This is the test message. So this is Zabbix at saklanmushtaq.com. And if I click this portion, and let me show you the original section. So this is the original section, and okay, you see this is the one from. I'm able to receive emails from. From my domain, saklanmushtaq.com. So there is no Amazon involved or anything else. So SPF and DKIM records are also passed. So that's why we have done that portion. So that part is done. And let me show you the error as well. I'm not going to show you the email inbox, but I'm going to show you if I send this email to other domain which is not verified. And okay, let me copy. Let me put the other address. Ch. Okay, test it. So you see, I've got an error message. So this side gmail.co also give you an understanding. You see, email rejected is not verified. The following identities are failed. The check in US East region. So this email, it is saying it is not verified. So where I can show you the verification, navigate to email addresses. So only this email address QuickBooks 2018 is verified. So okay, just simply refresh it. Internet is a bit slow. Okay, so you see only this email is verified. So if I put that particular email and if I go to my inbox section and make it verified, then email sending is going to be done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to uh, our agenda, which is going to configure the SMTP relay as an email, AWS email SES service. So simply I'm going to navigate back to the uh, SMTP settings, copy the server address. Okay, these are the settings you have to put for the email server, and I'm going to say Zabbix here, and I'm going to say Zabbix at saklanmushtaq.com, putting my original domain here. For click the star TLS. Do not click these, and I'm going to say username and password. I'm going to click this section, and I have to put my credentials here, username. So I'm going to put the username. Sorry, I'm going to put my username, and I'm going to put the password here. So these are the credentials you have to provide, and say hello from DevOps, Muhammad Asim. Okay, and I'm going to update it. My internet is really getting slowed up. So let me pause the video and I will be starting my internet again. So guys, my internet is back. I'm going to test this configuration which I've shown you guys, and let it test. And I'm going to send it to QuickBooks 2018 at gmail.com. And one thing I need to tell you that it as this name email address is verified, so that is why I'm going to send it to this particular email address. Hello from DevOps. Awesome. So hopefully we will be able to send email to this particular email address, and I'm going to show you. Let's test it. So QuickBooks 2018, it seems like there is some issue with it because this will not take all that long. And it is going to show you error, and I will update you how you can fix this particular error. So let it run. We failed to send to operation not permitted. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to this email address, and you see the port is set to 25. So this is the error I need to show you guys. You should put excuse me, 587, and save it, update it, and test now. So make sure everything you do should be as I've shown you in the video, and put the same step from DevOps. So we will be able to identify that mail is the one which we are looking, which we are sending. So you see, now it is successful in few seconds. Let me navigate to my email address, and I'm going to show you the Gmail inbox. Okay, I'm not signed in here. Anyway, this is the one. You see, hello from DevOps Muhammad Asim. This is the email which I received. Hello from DevOps Muhammad Asim. This is the time, and let me show you the original part. There, you see, this is the proper email coming from our domain, and everything is passed as far as the DKIM and SPF record are concerned. So you see our Zabbix is configured successfully for sending uh, email alerts in case of any issues. So the most important thing is that you can set up Zabbix or configure the Zabbix email first, and you can have other option like you can use the Slack webhooks as well, which I will be showing you later in my video. So this video is with regard to the AWS simple email service with regard to the Zabbix relay configuration for sending in alerts. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and share as much as you can, and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you very much.